Hello, welcome to your speaking test for Academy Stars 2, Unit 9 and 10. I am teacher Maggie. And how about you? Can you introduce yourself? What's your name? Jack, okay. And how old are you, Jack? How old are you? You are 10 years old. And how are you today? You are happy today. Nice to know that. So are you ready with your speaking test? Okay, so let's begin with the part one. Okay, so here, Jack, look at the picture. Let's start with the living room. What are the objects you can see in the living room? In the living room, what objects you can see? I can see. Mhm. And mhm, and a lamp. Okay, so very good. How about in the kitchen? I can see. Mhm. What else? Okay, there is also a refrigerator and a cabinet. Okay, let's move on to the bedroom. Mhm. Okay, how about in the bedroom? I can see. In the bedroom. hmm Okay, that's a bowl. What else? Sink. Okay, there is also a shower and bathtub. Yes, bathtub. Okay, so we are finished with the part one. Okay, so this is part two. Okay, what's this? Okay, stove. Can you say that again? Stove. Okay, stove. Where you can see a stove, is it in the living room, bedroom, bathroom, or in the kitchen? Yes, I can see stove in the kitchen. Can you move it to the kitchen? All right, very good, Jack. Next is it's a television. So where you can see a television? In the living room. Can you put it there? All right, very good, Jack. Next is it's a bookcase. Okay, so where you can see a bookcase? In the bedroom. Okay, can you put it in the bedroom? Okay, that's nice. And this is okay, that's not it. That is a wardrobe. Yes. Okay, so where we can see a wardrobe? In the again, we can see wardrobe. You can see it in the bedroom. Can you say that again? I can see wardrobe in in the bedroom. Next is okay, that is bathtub. Okay, so I can see bathtub. Okay, very good, Jack. Okay, good job. And the last one is lamp. So where do you usually see a lamp? In the bedroom. Can you put it in the bedroom? Oops. Okay, this way. Okay, again. Okay, very good, Jack. So we are finished with the second part. So in the third part of your speaking test, you can see four picture. So you will make a story using this picture. Let's start with picture one. Let's say this is Anna and this is Rose. So can you make a story for picture one? Rose. Okay, and yes, Anna and Rose went to the big park, and Anna, this is Anna. Anna, what is she doing? She took, okay, again, Anna took uh, a photo of, okay, next, Rose fed, okay, Rose fed the, what animal is that? Giraffe. And Rose fed the giraffe. Okay, and last, they, they, again, they, don't say the name, you use the they. They, oh, what did they do? They went home. Are they sad? Look at their face. Again, they went home happy. They are happy. They went home happy. Again, okay. So let's move on to the last part of your speaking test. What is your favorite room in the house, Jack? Yes. Why do you like bedroom? Because because it's very big. Because my bed is big and okay, there are two beds in. And what do you do in your bedroom? What do you usually do in your bedroom? Mhm. What do you do in your bedroom? I. What do you do? Do you play games? Do you sleep? Do you do your homework? Do you watch TV? So what do you do in your bedroom? I sleep. Okay, so where do you usually do your homework? Where do you usually do your homework? I I do my homework in what part of the house? What part of the house? Is it in the living room, bathroom, bedroom? Where do you usually do your homework? In the bedroom. So which one do you prefer? Which one do you like? Watching TV or reading books? I like, again, I like watching. Okay. Why do you like watching TV? Because because it's good. Okay. And can you tell me the different rooms in your house? What are the different parts? Okay, what are the different rooms in your house? My house has, okay. So tell me the members of your family. How many are you in the house? How many members do you have in your house? Who lives in your house? How many? Are you five people in your house? Okay, okay, there are four people in my house. Okay, where do you usually go with your family? Where do you usually go with your family? Does your family usually go to mall, park, zoo, to the zoo? Okay, so which one do you prefer? Do you like going to the zoo or to the playground? I like I like going to the playground. Can you say that again? I like to the playground. Why do you like playground? Why do you like playground? Because I can. Mhm. What do you do in the playground? What do you usually see in the playground? Do you eat in the playground? Do you play in the playground? What do you do in the playground? I mm, I can see slides and play football in the playground. In the playground. Okay, can you say that again? I can see slides. I can see slides and play in the. Okay, so what is your favorite lesson in Academy Stars 2? What is your favorite lesson that you learned in the Academy Stars 2? Which one do you like? Which lessons do you like? Yes, which lesson do you like? Is it about the food? Is it about the traffic, animals, weather? What else? Parts of the room, places in the community. So which lesson do you like about animal? Okay, so that's the end of your speaking test. Jack, keep on practicing. Okay, keep on practicing in school and at home. Okay, so that's the end of your speaking test. Goodbye. Yes, okay, so goodbye, Jack, and see you again on your next speaking